Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and today this one is having a 4-to-1 Jap speed manifold and a Tegua induction kit. So hopefully we'll get some footage of some bits being fitted, and of course at the end we'll map it up. So first up, we're going to tackle this. So this is the original cat, and this is what's being swapped out to the 4-to-1. Luckily, it's had an exhaust, albeit a custom sort of maybe 2-inch thing, but it's got a flange on it, so that makes it somewhat easier. So yeah, okay, get cracking now, Jenna. Is it still really hot?
Yeah, it's still really hot.
Okay. You're hot.
Thanks.
Oh, okay, so standard manifold almost out. You're looking happy about that?
Yeah. Been a bit of a pain. Everything's been a bit seized and rusty, but
that's all right.
I'm gonna start now.
Things are going to be a bit seized on an old FN2, but yeah, good stuff. I'll come back when there's a bit of shiny to go on.
Yeah.
Okay, so Jeddo's done some amazing work, and he's fitted the 4-to-1 manifold and also a Tegua induction kit. So now it's time to get this car mapped up. Let's do it, let's make some noises. Red FN2.
Faded red FN2. Milano pink.
Milano pink. But this is the second one that we've seen today. Yeah, map this one upon the Ecutek software.
We did some work on it first.
Yeah, she fitted a Tegua induction kit.
Jeno fitted a 4-to-1 decap manifold with a lot of swearing because this car was not the best condition underneath, to be fair. And I think every single bolt someone had a go at and chewed it up, or otherwise already snapped or done whatever. So there was a lot of swearing coming from
There's
Geno's
a lot of learning from
yeah,
Jeno today.
There was a lot of swearing coming from Geno's corner, and my advice was, oh, this is mechanicking, mate. This is exactly what it is. Swearing, like cut knuckles, rounded off bolts, jobs that no one else wants to do, that sort of thing. That's how it is. Yeah, so he did a bit of swearing. I did help him get the manifold back on and do that, because he'd spent quite a lot of time swearing and not a lot of time swearing. So we got everything, got that back on with him, got that sorted out. A few problem areas that he was struggling with, which is fair enough. He fitted a Tegra induction kit. That's also gone in there today. It has got a custom exhaust on it, and I hate that. I mean, I don't mind the word custom, because we use it a lot when we make things, but...
Yeah, but there's a difference in there, because, you know, Luke at LA Fab or Solid Fab, that's custom.
Yeah, they know what they're doing, and,
yeah.
they make an exhaust.
They make some peng.
Yeah.
There's a word for you.
Some real good exhaust for cars, and they work. When you take it to Mr. Tyre, and he makes you an exhaust for 300 quid, and he crush bends everything, and he puts this, well, god awful back box on it with a divider in the middle of it, and then it just absolutely saps power. I mean, this car really, with its mods, should have really made sort of, I would say, towards the 220 mark. You know, we've sort of struggled to break the 213 with it, and that is just solely down to flow in that back box, I would imagine, because the actual exhaust is quite large in the middle. If you get what I mean, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. But obviously, once you get to the back box and you put the divider in, and have two small tailpipes coming out of the back.
Yeah, the two tailpipes coming out of it are only like that.
Yeah, they're tiny. But as always, we map with what we're presented with, so we've done that.
Each car in its own
merit. I mean, we made about 25 brake in the mid-range, didn't we?
Yeah, we have.
And we've made a tiny little bit top end, but I mean...
He said the word ASBO, and he got some flames.
Yeah, he got some flames as well, yeah.
So be happy with that. He's got switchable maps, hasn't he?
Yes,
adjustable launch control.
Yeah, he's got, obviously he's got the features and stuff as well, so...
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have a look at this graph then.
I just want to say, I'm going to miss you.
You're not going to miss me.
I am. Richard's on holiday now for a week.
Yeah, I am. So... no videos next week.
Oh, there'll be videos, mate. You just won't be in them.
Oh, Geno's not here though as well, you see. That's the problem, the video.
There'll be videos for Keith's here, me and Keith. We're going to have a great time.
Oh, that's true. It's just Keith and Dan next week, because Geno's at college and I'm on holiday, so it's...
There's going to be lots of content.
Yeah.
That might be on a different channel.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
That might not be for everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Let's go look at the graph.
Let's look at the graph.
Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. You can see the wheel horsepower that we've made there. We made some brake horsepower in the mid-range, and we finished today on 213, which is 183 at the wheels. So code word for this video is going to be Tegua, as this is a Tegua induction kit available on the website. Good value for money, so give it a chance. And we'll see you all very soon, and you'll see Richard after his holiday, won't you, Rich?
Well, indeed. Really soon. Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.